Hey guys, Adam from New Horizon Code here. Today I thought I'd teach you guys about a page order. This is brought up during a recent coaching session and I thought it might be of use for everyone else. Basically, we build some sort of page, or in this example, a blog, and we give it a numeric order. Using that, we can navigate to the next page using a very simple workflow. So as you can see here, we've just got sort of a pretend blog, so we can use this to navigate back or go to different blog pages. As you can see, as I go to new ones, this starts to change. So this is actually very simple to achieve, and I thought I'd just walk you guys over how I achieved it. So basically, we have our page here, which is just that of the blog, and then we've just got the sort of dynamic data in here. But where this happens is in the data firstly. In the blogs, we have the body, as we spoke about in the title, but we also have the order. The order is just a numeric value. And then what happens is once we create a blog post, we give it a value of the last item plus this plus 1. So it generates like 1 plus 2, which is, 1 plus 1, which is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and so on and so forth. So it just generates those to continue. And then all we do is when we click this, for example, we search for blog's first item when the blog matches the current page's order, and then we just plus 1 to it. So that would give us the order of 2, or the order of 3 if we're on 2, and the order of 4 if we were on 3, and so on and so forth. And it's pretty much the same concept so with this one, but we minus an item. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and also please leave a comment if you have any sort of questions or things you're struggling with. As always, you can book your free 3 lessons at bubblelessons.com. Thank you guys for listening. Have a great day. Goodbye.